Good afternoon, everyone. It's a new day here on site. What we are doing now is the excavation of the foundation. As you can see, that's what's going on now. Again, and today, as you can see, we started the foundation excavation for the site, and yeah, I'll carry you along, and in this video I'll be telling you about the completion of our previous stage. That is the setting out stage. So we've just completed the setting out, or I'll say we are rounding up the setting out. Setting out is one of the foremost stages to be completed in the construction process, and it's very important because basically exactly what you have in your drawing is transferred to the land, so we can start excavation of the ground works. So yeah, I'll be telling you all the materials you need. The first thing you need for your setting out is profile. You can use either 2x2 profile or you can even use 2x3 profile, but I suggest you use 2x2 because that way it will be cost effective, rather than using a bigger timber, which might not be actually necessary. So you need 2x2 timber joist for the setting out. And how do you determine the timber joist you need? You need to measure the perimeter, the whole perimeter of your site, and then you can know how much 2x2 timber joist you need to get. But let me just list out the materials first of all. You will need the 2x2 timber joist. You will need nails. You can get 2 inches nails and 3 inches nail. You also need a line, You also need a square. You also need a tape measure. You also need, what else are you going to need? You're going to need hammer. I can't remember of anything I've missed out. But basically, these are what you require for the setting out. And then your drawing should be there, very handy for your setting out. You need pegs as well. There's pegs. I will show you pegs, what a peg is. So these are pegs, they are used for the setting out to make the profile. So these are pre-made like this. You can buy them like this. They are sold in the market. We bought 20 pieces for about 1,200. So we bought 80 of them. That's the pegs. So, and these are the 2x2 timber joists you will need. And you can see what we use our nails for here. These are the nails used for the setting out. I don't want to be so technical in the video, but I'll just give an in-depth information of things that are required. You can see now we are starting the excavation for the foundation. So as we subsequently carry on with the project, I will give you useful information. These videos are going to be a bit different. I'll try to give more perspective on cost and project management this time around. So you can see the trench. So the trench is 700 millimeter, that's 0.7 meters in the width, while the depth is 3 feet. 3 feet, that is 0.9 meters or 900 millimeters. So that is the 900 millimeter, the depth of the footing, that's the strip footing, while 700 is the width of the footing. But just to mention, this is not the footing per se, this is just the trench for the structure. So as we carry on, I'll explain what we are doing at the moment.